Buying and selling goods or services over the internet enables you to start trading internationally with very little expense. However, trading with other countries online can be risky, and you'll need to be aware of the customs and VAT rules that apply to the countries you're trading with. Getting the customs paperwork right means that goods will be delivered without any unnecessary delays. Before you start trading online, it's very important to think about which countries you'll be dealing with. This is because there are different customs rules for trading with countries that are in the EU and those that aren't. Trading with EU countries is generally straightforward. Buying from other businesses is called acquisition, and selling is known as dispatching goods. But trading with countries that are outside the EU is different. Buying is known as importing, and selling is known as exporting. There's extra customs requirements when importing or exporting goods, and you'll have to pay import duty on most goods that you bring into the UK. If you use the postal system for imports and exports, you'll need to be aware of the special procedures that apply as well. Trading online with other countries can throw up some other challenges too. If you buy or sell goods via the internet, then post is the most popular way of shipping. When you acquire or dispatch goods by post within the EU, you won't need to complete a customs declaration for most of them. All excise goods received or sent within the EU are subject to certain rules and procedures that must be followed. When you import goods by post from countries outside the EU, they will need to have a customs declaration attached. Customs duty is likely to apply to imported goods above a certain value. Excise duty will be due on all alcohol and tobacco sent by post. Where VAT is payable, it will be at the same rate as UK VAT. Very low value goods will not be subject to import VAT. If you import higher value goods from outside the EU, you or your agent must submit a full, single administrative document declaration before the goods can be released. When you export goods to a non-EU country by post, you will have to attach a customs declaration which you can obtain from the post office or download from the Royal Mail website. When exporting goods commercially by post, you also need to attach a commercial invoice and any certificate or license that applies to goods of that type. You should also make sure that you attach the correct customs label so that the package will be presented to customs before export. If you don't, your buyer may experience delays in getting the goods released. You'll have to check whether the goods you want to trade in are banned or restricted and whether they need a license or certificate. And you'll have to pay excise duty on goods like alcohol and tobacco when imported into the UK from EU or non-EU countries. Foreign countries may have different shipping practices and import requirements, and this can sometimes lead to confusion. You can avoid misunderstandings by using Incoterms in your contracts. These are internationally recognised standard trade terms that set out everyone's responsibilities and help things run smoothly. Using instant payment methods like PayPal and credit cards allows you to pay and get paid safely and easily. But if you use other methods, you may need to take steps to guarantee you'll get paid and reassure suppliers that they will too. Don't forget that even if you're only buying and selling online on a small scale with a view to making profit, you're still trading and in business. So you'll need to keep proper records of all your business transactions, as the correct paperwork will help your business run smoothly. Trading online with other countries can be rewarding. However, you still need to get the paperwork right so your business runs smoothly.